Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to speak English confidently and sound more natural, then this video is for you. Today, I am going to teach you 100 powerful English words with their simple Hindi meanings. These words are commonly used in daily conversation, interviews, public speaking, and professional communication. So keep a notebook with you, repeat every word after me, and try to use these sentences and these words in your daily life. So let's get started. So guys, first word is achieve. Achieve means प्राप्त करना. फर्स्ट इज अचीव. अचीव मीन्स प्राप्त करना. गाइस ये वीडियो देख के आपको प्रोनाउंसिएशन की भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी और वर्ड का हिंदी मीनिंग भी पता चल जाएगा. सेकंड इज सक्सेस. सक्सेस मीन्स सफलता. थर्ड इज गोल. गोल मीन्स लक्ष्य. फोर्थ इज इम्प्रूव. इम्प्रूव मीन्स सुधारना. फिफ्थ इज डेवलप. डेवलप मीन्स विकसित करना. सिक्स्थ इज क्रिएट. क्रिएट मीन्स बनाना. सेवेंथ इज इंस्पायर. इंस्पायर मीन्स प्रेरित करना. एट इज मोटिवेट. मोटिवेट मीन्स प्रेरित करना. नाइन इज बिलीव. बिलीव मीन्स विश्वास करना. 10 इज कॉन्फिडेंस. कॉन्फिडेंस मीन्स आत्मविश्वास. 11th is opportunity. Opportunity means अवसर. 12 is challenge. Challenge means चुनौती. 13 is focus. Focus means ध्यान. 14 is progress. Progress means प्रगति. 15 is knowledge. Knowledge means ज्ञान. 16 is wisdom. Wisdom means बुद्धिमत्ता. 17 is experience. Experience means अनुभव. 18 is skill. Skill means कौशल. 19 is talent. Talent means प्रतिभा. 20 is practice. Practice means अभ्यास. 21 is learn. Learn means सीखना. 22 is understand. Understand means समझना. 23 is discover. Discover means खोज करना. 24 is explore. Explore means अन्वेषण करना. 25 is imagine. Imagine means कल्पना करना. 26 is creative. Creative means रचनात्मक. 27 is brilliant. Brilliant means शानदार. 28 is excellent. Excellent means उत्कृष्ट. 29 is amazing. Amazing means अद्भुत. 30 is wonderful. Wonderful means शानदार. 31 is positive. Positive means सकारात्मक. 32 is honest. Honest means ईमानदार. 33 is kind. Kind means दयालु. 34 is respect. Respect means सम्मान. 35 is responsibility. Responsibility means जिम्मेदारी. 36 is discipline. Discipline means अनुशासन. 37 is patience. Patience means धैर्य. 38 is courage. Courage means साहस. 39 is strength. Strength means शक्ति. 40 is freedom. Freedom means स्वतंत्रता. 41 is peace. Peace means शांति. 42 is happiness. Happiness means खुशी. 43 is smile. Smile means मुस्कान. 44 is hope. Hope means आशा. 45 is dream. Dream means सपना. 46 is future. Future means भविष्य. 47 is journey. Journey means यात्रा. 48 is victory. Victory means विजय. 49 is effort. Effort means प्रयास. 50 is determination. Determination means दृढ़ निश्चय. 51 is ambition. Ambition means महत्वाकांक्षा. 52 is passion. Passion means जुनून. 53 is energy. Energy means ऊर्जा. 54 is healthy. Healthy means स्वस्थ. 55 is balance. Balance means संतुलन. 56 is support. Support means समर्थन. 57 is trust. Trust means भरोसा. 58 is honest. Honest means ईमानदार. 59 is respectful. Respectful means सम्मानजनक. 60 is helpful. Helpful means सहायक. 61 is brave. Brave means बहादुर. 62 is calm. Calm means शांत. 63 is smart. Smart means समझदार. 64 is intelligent. Intelligent means बुद्धिमान. 65 is curious. Curious means जिज्ञासु. 66 flexible. Flexible means लचीला. 67 is patient. Patient means धैर्यवान. 68 is friendly. Friendly means मित्रवत. 69 is polite. Polite means विनम्र. 70 is humble. Humble means विनम्र. 71 is powerful. Powerful means शक्तिशाली. 72 is valuable. Valuable means मूल्यवान. 73 is unique. Unique means अनोखा. 74 is essential. Essential means आवश्यक. 75 is important. Important means महत्वपूर्ण. 76 is effective. Effective means प्रभावी. 77 is efficient. Efficient means कुशल. 78 is reliable. Reliable means विश्वसनीय. 79 is responsible. Responsible means जिम्मेदार. 80 is successful. Successful means सफल. 81 is communicate. Communicate means संवाद करना. 82 is express. Express means व्यक्त करना. 83 is explain. Explain means समझाना. 84 is listen. Listen means सुनना. 85 is observe. Observe means ध्यान से देखना. 86 is decide. Decide means निर्णय लेना. 87 is solve. Solve means समाधान करना. 88 is manage. Manage means प्रबंध करना. 89 is organize. Organize means व्यवस्थित करना. 90 is lead. Lead means नेतृत्व करना. 91 is influence. Influence means प्रभावित करना. 92 is connect. Connect means जुड़ना. 93 is encourage. Encourage means प्रोत्साहित करना. 94 is celebrate. Celebrate means जश्न मनाना. 95 is appreciate. Appreciate means सराहना करना. 96 is respectfully. Respectfully means सम्मान पूर्वक. 97 is confidently. Confidently means आत्मविश्वास के साथ. 98 is consistent. Consistent means निरंतर. 99 is persistent. Persistent means लगातार प्रयास करने वाला. 100 is excellence. Excellence means उत्कृष्टता. Conclusion is congratulations, you have learned 100 powerful English words today. Now your task is to revise these words every day and use at least 5 new words in your daily conversation. The more you practice, the faster your English vocabulary and speaking skills will improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next English lesson. Happy learning.